Hello guys, this is Darren from Allsea Boats, and today I'm going to introduce this 7.5-meter Profisher with cuddy cabin. You can check this boat is different from the EasyCraft model. This Profisher is with the streamlined the boat hull, which you can get great performance when surfing on the sea. And also the welding is great. It's same as the EasyCraft model, and you can choose the two colors as you want. This cuddy cabin doesn't have the cabin door. It's more free to get on the deck and get into the cabin room. Okay, now let's move to the stern of the boat. This is a transom shaft for double engines. You can put two engines here, and several brackets for transducer and trim tab. This is a zinc to protect our hull, the aluminum, and this is a draining hole for the tank. And here is a self-draining hole for the deck. And you can check. This is a hatch, which will be easy for future repairing. And here is a TMC bilge pump. Okay, now let's move to the deck through this boarding ladder. Okay, now I'm on the deck. This is a live bait tank with the cutting board and two cup holders, three rod holders, and here is position for your knives. Also, this is water supply and the draining hole. And you can check the fish situation through this glass. Also, there's another live bait tank, same as the previous one. And this is a fold-up seat, which can sit around 3 or 4 people here. And here is a handrail, which you can provide your safety. And here is the battery box. And you can put around 4 batteries here. And this is the battery switch. And you can check the deck floor is aluminum plates, and you can put also the UV thick floor. It's optional. And you can check the gun wheel. Each side is equipped with 3 rod holders and 2 cup holders. And here's 3 cleats. At each side, here is also the storage box. You can put your stuff, which is similar with the side storage trial. Okay, let's move to the cabin. Here is the pilot seat. This part can move. You can fold it up. When you fold it up, you can stand here and driving. This part can provide your support to your body. And if you don't like this, you can put it down and you can sit. This is more comfortable. Also, here is the anchor switch, and this is a 6-star hydraulic steering system, and the fuel gauge, the switch panel. And move to the co-pilot seat. It's same as the pilot one. And some high wheels to keep safe. And also, there are 2-story boxes under the seat. There will be a cushion here. And storage, this is storage box. Okay, here is the restroom, the cabin, and there will be cushions too to cover this whole space. And if you pick the two cushions out, there will be a toilet here. And this is a skylight. Also, it's called the hatch. And this one is for the anchor. And this is a sliding side window, which can provide fresh air when you're surfing on the sea. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. And if you are interested in our boat, you can contact me via below information. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.